defence against Japan. Can Japan stop Abby Wambach? Can the United States stop Sawa and Miyama?
I say no to both, and I think it's just going to come down to better goalkeeping. Kaori did a great job against Germany for Japan. Goalkeeper played way above her head. She needs to have the same performance. But there is something about this United States team. They have a will to create their own legacy. They don't want to be associated with the 99s. They pay the rightful respect to them, but they're their own team. And we need to stop comparing them to the 99. And let's learn about these players because they're making huge waves for soccer in America. They're the next stars.
Coverage beginning at 1 p.m. tomorrow with Sports Centre Special SBN2. Minutes of stoppage time added on this. There's still time for a French recovery. Nobody wants to end the tournament losing 2 consecutive games.